Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of SHRI JAIN SHWETAMBER MURTIPUJAK SANGH versus income tax officer. This case has been reported in 104 ITR Tribunal, short notes 58. The matter has been decided by Raipur ITAT SMC bench and the date of the judgment is 22nd May 2023. Friends, this case is a perfect example that nowadays how important it is to abreast ourselves with the changing laws in the Income Tax Act, especially for those assessees who are registered under Section 12A and claiming the exemption under Section 11 and 12. As all we know that for claiming exemption under Section 11, it is the mandatory requirement of Section 139 subsection 1 that the audit report in Form 10B should be filed before filing the return of income under Section 139 subsection 1, and the return of income should also be filed in time. In the present case, the assessee did not file the audit report in Form 10B before the due date. It was delayed for the assessment years 16-17 and 17-18, due to which the exemption under Section 11 was denied by the CPC. The assessee filed rectification under Section 154, which was denied. The assessee moved to the CIT appeal. CIT appeal also upheld the order of the CPC, which has not allowed Section 11 exemption to the assessee. In this case, one more weak point on the part of the assessee was there, that the assessee has not applied for the condonation for late filing of Form 10B. So the CIT appeal said that since the assessee has not applied for the condonation, CIT appeal do not have the power to condone that delay in filing the Form 10B. When this matter came before the ITAT, ITAT also upheld the order of the CPC and CIT appeal and said that this is the requirement of the provisions of the law that for claiming exemption under Section 11, the audit report and return of the income should be filed in time. If it is not filed in time, then the assessee cannot claim the exemption under Section 11. And in this case, since the assessee has not gone for the condonation application, so the question of allowing the condonation or not allowing the condonation does not arise. So on this count, the assessee is not eligible to claim exemption under Section 11 for the years assessment years 16-17 and 17-18. But in this case, the ITAT gave a favor to the assessee that even if the exemption under Section 11 has not been allowed to the assessee, but the assessing officer has erred in taxing all the gross receipts of the assessee of rupees 24.83 lakh. The ITAT said that in this case, all the eligible expenses should have been allowed by the assessing officer as per law. Friends, generally it happens that when an organization, when an NGO do have the registration under Section 12A or claiming exemption under Section 1023C, and the department goes for denial of the exemption, then all the gross receipts are taxed. But on the statute also now there is a provision that even if the exemption under Section 11 is not availed by the assessee or the exemption under Section 11 is denied to the assessee, then in that case also all the gross receipts of the assessee should not be taxed. All the expenses which have been done by the assessee should have been allowed according to the provisions of the law. For example, if the assessee has made some payments in contravention of deducting TDS, then those provisions will be applicable. But for calculating the right amount of taxing all the expenses should be allowed as per the law. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is SHRI JAIN SHWETAMBER MURTIPUJAK SANGH versus Income Tax Officer Exemptions, and this case has been reported in 104 ITR Tribunal Short Notes 58. The matter has been decided by Raipur ITAT SMC bench and the date of the judgment is 22nd May 2023. Thank you friends.